Concealed carry in a tucked-in shirt is not only possible, but it can actually work really well. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 gadgets for carrying a gun in a tucked-in shirt. Totally invisible. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Modern Protector, where we talk about the skills, the tools, and the mindset that you need to protect yourself and your family. For years, I thought that concealed carry in a tucked-in shirt was just not possible without resorting to something like pocket carry, which is not ideal. But the gadgets of concealed carry have come leaps and bounds in the last 10 years, so it's not only possible now, but there are so many ways to do it really well. Let's talk about the 3 different gadgets that make it possible to conceal carry in a tucked-in shirt. Now, the baseline is that you have got to start with a good, safe holster. It needs to be Kydex and made for your specific gun model. The first way to carry in dress clothes is with a comfort concealment belt. Now, this one is definitely going to be the cheapest and simplest option. It goes under your pants and shirt, and your holster is attached to it so that it's completely hidden and no holster clips are showing on your belt. As of the recording of this video, this belt is $46.
Awesome. Yes!
The only downside to this setup is that it's held together with Velcro, which is fine for a while, but eventually Velcro does wear out, fray, collect lint, and it just gets weaker over time. The next setup is with the Filster Enigma. The Enigma was really the first under the pants belt style setup that really started this trend. The Enigma is a belt system that actually bolts to your holster, and it works really well. The Enigma is great if you want to set up one gun and holster to the perfect configuration and leave it that way, because this does kind of marry your holster to the belt. It also comes in a box like IKEA furniture, and you've got to put the thing together. You also really need the sport belt upgrade in order to make it really comfortable. Provided that you have a holster that is compatible with the Enigma and sport belt is going to run you $131.
Wow.
Yeah, it's an investment for sure. Before we get to the last and simplest way to carry in dress clothes, if you're new to concealed carry and you feel like you're just guessing your way through this journey, I've got something that will really help you out. I created the Concealed Carry Starter Kit as a short and practical guide that walks you through how to set up your carry gear the right way so it's safe, it's comfortable, and it actually prepares you for self-defense. It basically helps you skip the steps of learning things the hard way like I did. If you want to carry comfortably and actually be prepared to protect yourself, then check it out in the description down below. The last one is the simplest way to carry in dress clothes, the Concealment Labs Liner. This thing is honestly very similar to the construction of the Filster Enigma, but it doesn't require you to bolt your holster to it, so you can basically switch your gun and holster out whenever you want. This setup is a little bit stiff out of the box, but once you wear it for a while, it's really comfortable, and it's a super simple setup. This one's gonna land in the middle at 89 bucks. But what do you think? Which of these setups is right for you? Let me know in the comments down below. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.